Hi, this is Katrina, founder of Your Perfect Studio. We are a very small video game studio based in Bay St. Louis, Mississippi, and we're currently working on a project that we call StageMechanic. And StageMechanic is a video game for playing block pushing, tower climbing, puzzle games, but it also includes a built-in level editor and lets you mix and match mechanics that are inspired by different games that include blocks and create your own sort of game. So it's part of this whole makers movement where you're not just consuming what other people are making, but you're actually able to create things yourself. And so yes, this project was started about a year ago. We've had some wonderful people in our project join our project and help us to develop this. And it's still very much in active development. This is just a prototype version, but I wanted to show you guys what we're working on. I will also let you know that this is completely free software. Even the entire source code of it is available for free on the internet. So you can grab a copy and play it and try it out. There's no ads, there's no data collection, no tracking, nothing like that. It's actually free. So let me show you guys a little bit about what this program does. I will start off here by loading one of the pre-made levels that we have. And I'll choose, let's go with this one. All right. Let me turn off the touchscreen interface since I'm using a mouse here. So let me go into the settings and let's see, turn that off, I think. All right, there we go. Sorry, as I said, this is a prototype, so some things are still a little bit wonky. But yeah, so here we are. You can see I'm this little girl. We call her Sam, and we can move around this world and we can push blocks, we can pull blocks, we can climb on top of blocks. And our goal is, there's a goal at the very top of this tower that we have to try to reach. And we have to try to figure out how to get there. So there's lots of obstacles kind of in our way. So on this level, for instance, these ice blocks, if I try to move while I'm on top of an ice block, I'll slide off the end. However, if I jump on top of an ice block, I can kind of jump off the front of it, but grab on and then climb up onto the next one. So it's about learning the different mechanics of the different blocks and how they interact with each other. So I'll jump over to the creator here and show you just a very brief introduction to how this works. So here we are, and we have all of these different block types in this version that are available. So like here we have these basic blocks. We have blocks that cannot be moved. So here I'll put a couple more basic blocks and place our character and hit play. And we can come over here and we can move these ones by pushing them or pulling them. And we can even undo. But this one here, because it's a mobile, we can't push or pull this one. So then we can go back to editing and we can move this around here, and maybe we can put some cracked blocks, which when you step on them disintegrate. We have some traps here. And maybe we'll put like one more level of basic blocks, and then a bomb, and we'll put our goal over here and hit play. So these ones, when I step on them, fire will shoot up, and you don't want to be standing on it when that happens, of course. And here, like these cracked blocks, you can see will disintegrate as I step on them. And as those disintegrate, they were holding up other blocks. So the blocks that they were holding up will fall down. One of the mechanics that is available in this game, depending on the type of blocks that you incorporate into your game, is that they can be stable even if they're connected only by one of the edges. So, for instance, these blocks would not fall down. If I hit play, you can see they stay in the same spot. But if I were to put another block here, this one's not supported by any other blocks. So I hit play, it's going to fall down. Likewise, if you push a block out from under another one, like here, now none of those are supported, so they'll all fall down. The bomb ones, when they explode, will turn blocks that are around them into cracked blocks. I'm not going to go through all the different block mechanics, but all of the ones that we have included in our Prototype 2 version are functional. There are a couple of blocks that are taken from a slightly different set of mechanics than these ones. We have these solid green ones that are not affected by gravity, and then there are also these water blocks which you can walk through and you can push other blocks through. So, like, we can come over here and yeah. So you can get pretty creative with different levels you might want to create. Let's see, I'll show you this level here. Has a lot of different mechanics in it, and it's quite a challenging puzzle as well. So this one has mystery blocks. You don't know what those are going to be until you step on them. Let's see. Oh, that's there we go. So yeah, it's a fun puzzle game. Of course, I already know the solution to this puzzle, so it's a little bit cheating on my part. If you were just to jump right into this level, it would probably be a bit overwhelming. So yeah, all the stuff you see here works. You can save levels, you can load levels. The levels are saved in a human readable text format, and you can send those files to your friends. They can open them and load them and play the levels that you created. There are some interesting settings in here as well. You can change the background. So maybe you don't like the space background, you want some clouds. You can change the camera's perspective. You can turn the fog and things on and off. And if you're using a touchscreen device, you can turn on touchscreen controls and then control the character this way. So you can like hold this button down while you're pulling a block or something, you know. Use this button in conjunction with the arrows. So yeah, and one of the things that we have included in this is that, you know, say you are working on a puzzle and you get really far into it and then you accidentally fall off the edge and you're dead. You can actually just undo your last move and it'll put you right back where you were before the last time you pulled or pushed a block. There's 99 levels of undo. There's even a secret hidden way to enable redo, but I won't get into that in this video. So yeah, that is a very brief overview of StageMechanic. We're just releasing our Prototype 2 version of this today, and we hope you check it out. We have the next version planned for September 12th, 2018. And we've already actually even fixed a lot of the little glitches and stuff that you might encounter, and the user interface is actually improved even since we created this version. So I certainly look forward to showing you all of the new things that are coming up in the next version. As this is a completely free piece of software, we are supported on Patreon. You can join, you can subscribe to a Patreon subscription starting at $1 a month to help support the work we're doing here. And that's patreon.com/yourperfect. It's Y-O-U-R-E perfect, as in like you are perfect, because we want to tell you that you are perfect. And yeah, So please consider supporting us on Patreon, and we hope you enjoy our software. And certainly if you have any feedback, any suggestions, we are welcome to that. Even if it's something you think we already know or already planning, we're happy to hear whatever feedback and suggestions or glitches you find. So thank you.